Hi guys, it's I, Martin the Hedgehog, here, and usually I should I say this? Can you fix my Sonic OC? As a fix, I mean draw. This is getting embarrassing, but anyways, um, green ball. I mean green bird. If you see, if you're watching this, I made this. Look at this. I made you in this game. Look at this. I will call making this, and what are you saying to it? Um, uh, um, in topic of that. Sorry um if I stutter a lot. I'm not used to talking to people, talking a lot because cursing because of the virus that's going on. Alright, so Sonic news again. Rob, we're not getting a lot of Sonic news lately these past weeks or months. So we got now that Whisper and Tango is coming to Sonic Forces. I Sonic Forces, I mean this mobile game that the mobile game speed battle. So that's cool. And again is sweet begin a Sonic movie too. Should be going it's in the works. So that's cool. And no game, we don't know what's gonna be. Is it gonna be a Sonic Adventure game remake or brand new game? However it is, I'll be really hyped whatever it is. And CMI. I don't know what to call you guys, and my modern groups or my see ya, and please like this video if you like it, and see ya. That was not my for, but see ya.